I am Adrian Vega and welcome to Social Monte Project. This is my personal approach of the classical effect 3-card Monte. This is a very practical and commercial effect. For first time, you can do the classical 3-card Monte effect using more cards and using social media logos. But Social Monte Project is not only this, it's my personal study from a classical prop from Pepe Carroll, one of the greatest Spanish magicians. So you will receive everything ready to go. 2 different sets using normal cards and using social media logos, making this a completely project only for you. Hello, I'm gonna show you something very classical. This is called the 3-card Monte effect, but in this case with more cards and a little bit different, okay? But the idea is the same. So today, for example, I'm gonna use this card. Maybe this card is the different one today. And I know that now they are very similar to the others because they are all blank from both sides. But in a moment, I'm gonna make something in this card to make this a little bit more different than the others, okay? Something special. So maybe I'm gonna use one more. And remember, the special card, the card that you have to follow is here, in the middle. Now it's a little bit different because I'm gonna write my name. This is Adrian Vega, magician, yeah? So you know that I am Vega magician. So now it's very easy. This is different than the other. So if I ask you to point the card, to follow the card, it's easy, it's here, right? Even if I put here, you will follow. It's easy, it's very easy, it's there. So this is easy, but the cool part is that you have to follow, not only here, you have to follow me also in different social media like this, here, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, because like this you will discover more amazing magic like this. You can check it, yeah. Adrian Vega Magician, this is for you, don't forget it.